Our kit is the most versatile and complete on the market today because it's hydraulic, which gives the user the advantage of great pressure to form the tubing, especially when flaring stainless steel. The tool comes with all of the die sets to fabricate the following flares: push connect, O-ring, hose, ISO bubble, and double inverted for 3/16, quarter, 5/16, 3/8, and half-inch tubing. Additional die sets are available separately, including the 37-degree single flare. For this tech stop, we will show you the most common flare, the double inverted on 1/4-inch stainless steel tubing. Start by choosing the appropriate clamp die set. For double inverted flares, the end of the tube must be flush with the end of the die. Refer to the manual for specifics on other flares. Choose the appropriate first function tool and screw the handle to the start position. Close the valve and squeeze the handle to create pressure. Relieve the pressure and unscrew the handle to drop out the first function tool. Now insert the second function cone tool. Repeat the process. The results are a perfect flare.